How to repair your plane in War Thunder Mobile. So in War Thunder Mobile, in order to repair your plane, that could be like in two options in order to repair your plane. So first of all is repairing during a match. So there are like if you cannot manually repair your plane mid-air like in the PC version, but you can still recover from some damage depending on the situation. If you land safely at your airfield base, fly back to your airbase, lower your landing gear and land gently. Come to a complete stop on the runway. After a few seconds, the game will automatically start repairing and removing your plane. And once done, take off again. So don't crash land, your plane must land safely in order to repair. So repairing after a battle. If your plane is destroyed or damaged in a battle, the game will automatically start repairs in your hangar. You'll see a repair timer next to your aircraft in the lineup. You can either wait for the repair to finish or instantly repair using the silver lions, the in-game currency. So that was the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.